a federal appeals court has ruled that Illinois National Guard troops can remain under federal control, but cannot be deployed as legal battles continue over President Trump's authority to send troops to Democratic-led cities for ICE-related protests. The Seventh Circuit Court of Appeals temporarily paused part of a lower court order that had blocked National Guard deployments in Illinois, keeping troops in a planning and training role but preventing any operational activity. U.S. Northern Command confirmed there are currently 300 Illinois and 200 Texas Guard members activated in the Chicago area. Illinois Attorney General Kwame Raoul and Governor J.B. Pritzker welcomed the ruling, calling it a victory for the state and the local law enforcement.
I'm pleased at the outcome, and I was hopeful that this might take place. So we do not, therefore, have Texas National Guard or Illinois National Guard or California National Guard, which are here, deployed anywhere in the city of Chicago or the state of Illinois.
The legal showdown began after Illinois and Chicago sued the Trump administration over the federal deployment of troops, arguing the president exceeded his authority. U.S. District Court Judge April Perry initially blocked the deployment, saying there was no evidence of rebellion in the state. Meanwhile, another federal judge has imposed restrictions on federal law enforcement tactics during protests at the Broadview ICE facility. The order bars the use of less lethal projectiles and chemical irritants, as well as shoving or tackling protesters. The order followed an incident in which Reverend David Black, a Presbyterian pastor, was repeatedly struck by pepper balls while praying outside the facility. Black described the encounter as indiscriminate. The Trump administration defended the agent's actions, claiming protesters blocked an ICE vehicle and threw objects at officers, a version Black called categorically false. The case in Illinois reflects a wider national debate over federal authority, civil liberties, and state resistance. Portland, Oregon is the next flashpoint, where the Ninth Circuit is weighing whether the federal government can deploy National Guard troops to respond to ICE protests, with a ruling expected in the coming days.